Your Excellencies, welcome to the United Nations annual SDG Moment in this decade of action. I'm Priyanka Chopra Jonas, and I'm so pleased and proud to be a part of the United Nations family as a UNICEF Goodwill Ambassador. We meet today at a critical point at our world, at a time when global solidarity is more important than ever, as countries continue to struggle from the devastating effects of the COVID-19 pandemic, as the climate crisis upends lives and livelihoods, as conflicts rage, and as poverty, displacement, hunger, and inequalities destroy the very foundation of the more just world that we have fought for such a long time. And as we all know, all is not well with our world. But these crises did not happen by chance, but they can be fixed with a plan. We have that plan. The UN Sustainable Development Goals, a to-do list for the world. These goals were created hand in hand with people around the world in 2015. Together, we have an extraordinary opportunity to change the world that we live in. We owe it to our people. We owe it to our planet. We all deserve a just, safe, and healthy world to live in. The present and the future rest in your hands, in our hands. But time is running out. We are nearly halfway to the 2030 deadline to achieve these goals. In the Secretary General's own words, we don't have a moment to lose. In this room are representatives of the very countries who signed up those goals in 2015. Leaders who can make that plan a reality in partnership with all of us. So today is about action, it's about ambition, but it is also about hope. It is about what we must do together to make the SDGs a reality.